Hey guys, I'm Natasha and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing with a few new products from E.L.F. I have their new eyeshadow palette, and then I have this mix to match adjuster bronze tan for neutral tones to mix with my foundation. And then I have a Stardust Glitter Eyeliner in Seafoam. So we are going to put these to the test and see how they do. Alright, I'm going to get started by using my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in 11, or I guess 112, and it's a little too light for me. Usually I mix it with one of my other darker Maybelline foundations to get the right tone, but I thought it would be perfect for this challenge. I would have to say that lately I've been using my Catrice liquid camouflage foundation almost every day, and not really my Super Stay anymore. I really love that Catrice one, and I do have an update. If you haven't seen that video, it's on my channel and I'll link it below. Go and watch it. It's a really well-performing foundation, and I did mention in there that they only had 4 shades, which on Ulta, whenever I got it, they only had 4 shades, but I saw that on Catrice's website, they actually launched more shades, so definitely go and check that out. But I'm just going to take this and squirt some out on my hand, and then take the E.L.F. and squirt a little bit. Now, hopefully this doesn't mess up with how my foundation wears throughout the day. I just put a tiny little drop because I don't want to make it too bad. Okay, so I'm gonna, that's the one that's mixed. Let me put a little one that's not mixed right next to it. So you can kind of see the not mixed and then the mixed, how it changed the color slightly. And I think that that might be my shade. I'm going to use my fingers, and then I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend it out. It's still a little, I need to put a little bit more in there, but I will go and do that for my contour next. Okay, let me take a little bit more of my foundation and just a little dab, and I'm going to put some of this in here. Mix it around. Okay. And as you can see, that's a lot darker than the other one, and I'm just going to dab it as if it was a cream contour. And on the sides of my hand. Okay, so as far as I can see, it didn't make my foundation do anything weird. So that's good. We'll definitely keep using this. Alright, I am going to put on the rest of my face, my powders, my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. So the rest of my face is on, and I am now going to go into this palette. So I have not swatched any of these yet. Let me just go into... That didn't show up much, but it is a lighter color. We will see how these perform. I didn't put any eye primer on. I'm going to do just what I do with my other eyeshadows and with my Morphe eyeshadows, which perform really well. I just have foundation on, concealer, and then my Coty Airspun powder on top of my eyes. And that's what I'm going to use for my eye primer. So I am going to go into this color Fresh right here. And I'm going to pack it all over the lid. Put down more of a base. Just a big fluffy brush. Then I'm going to go into that color that I just swatched that as my transition shade. Okay, so that has a lot of pigment whenever you're actually applying it to the eye, but whenever you swatch it, it was not that great at all. Okay, that makes me feel a lot better. It's a really pretty peachy orange shade. Okay, next I'm going to go into, with a smaller fluffy brush, this one, Cheeky. It's a little bit darker than the other one, and kind of just build it up in my crease line. I'm going to go into this yellow color here, mustard color called Saucy. And just a little bit lower, kind of bringing that in the inner corner and on the lid. This palette's real interesting because it has all these bright tropical shades, and then on the other side it has these dark cool tones. It's almost like you could have like two different palettes, like that one and that one. They're actually both really nice. Now I'm going to go in with this one, Happy, and with a little flat brush, try and concentrate it in on my inner corner. Brighten that up. So it's not a super bright yellow, but it's a very wearable yellow. It's more on the mustard side. That's coming off really nice. Okay, now I'm going to take... See, I wish that they had a darker red, but I'm just going to take this brown color, Warm, and put it in the corner. Try and cut out. Create a tiny little cut crease. Okay, then I'm going to take for my bottom lash line, I'm going to go back into this yellow, Happy, and fluff out the bottom. Let me see. I think I had some darker color on that eyeshadow brush. It's not as bright as I wanted it to be. That's okay. I'm going to, let me see. There's a small amount of fallout. I'm gonna brush it off. And let me take my fluffy brush, kind of blend the top. Now just because I want to see how this performs, I'm going to take this color Spicy with my finger and dab it here in the corner. Please excuse my nails. I did them yesterday, and apparently this nail polish sucks because it came off. So, it's the new, like, hypnotic or mermaid collection or whatever they're called by LA Colors, and they look so pretty in the bottle, but they do not last at all. Oh my gosh, they started like peeling in the first 24 hours. Okay, so that's not very bright, the shimmer, but it's more of just a soft satin. It's not bad. Now I'm going to play with this Stardust Glitter Eyeliner. Now, it's in the color Seafoam. They have several different colors, but this one has like a blue tint to it. Let's see how it... Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Okay, so you can't see it really well on camera, but there's like a... It's like a blue-green type of little shimmer. And I thought that I was going to be able to use this to carve out my crease like that, but this does not have enough pigment. Like, I'm rubbing over my hand that's coming off, and it's kind of chunky, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go here under my eye. And kind of in the corner. Oh my gosh, it's burning. It's burning my eye. Frick. Oh, that hurts, but I'm going to do the other side. I don't even have any in my eye. It's like it's burning my skin. I do have really sensitive skin though. It's pretty. Okay, I'm going. Let me put on some liner and some lashes, and I'll be back. Alright, now the rest of my face is done, and I have some opinions about some of the products that I tried out, and pretty much all of them are good. Firstly, let me talk about this mix to match shade adjuster that I mixed in with my foundation. I like it. It didn't seem to change my foundation, the way that it applied, the way that it looks right now. I'll see how it wears throughout the day, and if it goes poorly, I will update you in the description bar below. It did not make my foundation a funny shade. I do like that it's a cool toned brown and not warm and not pink, so that kind of went well with the rest of my skin tone. I'm going to have to play with it some more and add a little bit more because I don't think I added enough today, but I'll definitely keep on using this. Now about this eyeshadow palette. I really do like the colors in here. I like how you have your different sets of warm and cool, because this palette's name is Opposites Attract, which I found very interesting. It applied really well. You can see it looks nice. The color is not super strong, but I mean, the colors in here are not, they're not like super strong, bright colors. They're kind of more pastel, which is nice. And I need to play with some of these satins in here more. There's this one right here, low key. Let me see how that looks. Oh wow, wait. That's not purple, is it? Oh my gosh, that's like a purple. Y'all see that? But it looks white in the pan. Dang, I'm gonna have to try that out. And there's some other really pretty shades in here. I'm gonna have to keep on using this palette. I recommend it. I can't remember how much it was. I think it was like $10 or $15 for this. Like, it was really affordable. I bought it online on E.L.F's website, and I got free shipping. So this little dude right here that I'm wearing on the bottom of my eyes. Now, it looks really pretty right now, and I probably can, now that I see I was able to build it up, I probably can use it in my crease like that for a nice little line. And I'm going to have to try that out. But it does burn your eye skin. Like, it felt like fire whenever I put it here and underneath. I did not get it in my eye. It was simply the skin of my eye that hurt. But if you can deal with that for a second, it goes away after about like 30 seconds and then you're fine. Right now it feels fine. Hopefully it does not cause me a rash or anything like that throughout the day, and if it does, I will include that in the description bar below. But other than that, I'm pretty enjoying my makeup today. I think it looks nice, and I will continue testing these products. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel before you leave. I will see you in my next video. Mwah!